morning to all the honorous judges, teachers, and the students. Today I am going to present a story entitled The Fox and the Lion. Once upon a time, there was a lion. All the animals in the jungle were terribly scared of the lion. One day, the lion fell sick. A goat and a sheep went to visit the lion. First, the goat went in the cave. Before the goat came out, the sheep went in. After some time, a fox came to the cave. He heard a voice say, "Who is out there? Please come in."